The least common multiple, known as LCM, is the lowest or smallest common multiple between two or three numbers. For example, if we take the LCM of 12 and 24, first we shall take the multiples of 12 and 24, then we will find their common multiple, which is smallest possible. Few multiples of 12, starting with 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Multiples of 24 is equals to 24, 48, 72. You can see that the smallest possible common multiple is 24. If I make the ladder of 12 and 24, I will start with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. You can see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is the LCM. If I make their separate ladders, the ladder of 12 is and the prime factors of 12 are 2 cross 2 cross 3. Similarly, if I make the ladder of 24, I shall have prime factors of 24 as 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3. When I shall have the LCM of these two, I shall take 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here, 1 3 from here and another 2 from here, and my answer will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That is the same. If we take the LCM of 42 and 462, I can do it with combined ladder, I can do it with separate ladders. I shall start with 2, 221, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. I will go to 3 as both the numbers are odd. 3 7s are 21, 22, 23, again 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 11s are and 11 1s are 11. Now the LCM will be 2 cross 3 cross 7 cross 11. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. 42 into 11, 42 multiplied by 11 will be 462. If I make their separate ladders, I shall have the ladder of 42, 2 21s are, 3 7s are, 7 1s are. I shall write prime factors of 42 equals to 2 cross 3 cross 7 and prime factors of 462, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, not with 2. Now I shall come to 3, 3 7s are 21, 22, 23, again 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 and 11 1s are 11, and my answer of prime factors of 462 will be 2 cross 3 cross 7 cross 11. The factors which are common only ones, 2 ones, this 3 ones, this 7 ones, and there is no 11 here, but 11 also the part of answer. It is 462. Why I haven't taken the multiples of 42 and 462? Because it was not easy to find the multiples of 42 and the multiples of 462. So in bigger numbers, usually we take help from the ladder. We can make the separate ladders, we can make the combined ladder. The combined ladder automatically gives us the answer. The separate ladders, we have the prime factors. Then we take the common factors only once and the number which is not common at the end, and we can multiply to get the answer. Another example, LCM of 63, 80 and 102. Let's make the combined ladder. 63, 80, 102. There are two even numbers. I shall start with 2. 63 will remain as it is. 40. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. I still stay with 2. 20. 51 as it is, as not divisible by 2. 63 as it is. 2 10. 51 as it is. 63 as it is. 2 5. 51 as it is. 63 as it is. I will go to 3. 321. 5 51. I will go to 3. 3 7s are 5 51. Oh no, it's divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. 3 7s are 21. So now we have 4 2's. LCM has 2 power 4 cross 1 2 3 4, 3 power 2 cross 5 cross 7 cross 17. I can leave my answer as it is, otherwise I can multiply all these and get the answer. 16 into 9, 144. 5s are. My final answer is 85680. I can leave my answer as it is, and I can also have the answer in this form. One more example, LCM of 18, 24 and 36. Easy example. Combined ladder better instead of separate ladder, but I shall make the separate ladder and multiples also in this question. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 again 9 as it is, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, again with 2 as it's even, 2 3s are 6, 9 and 9. Now with 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and finally once again with 3. The answer is, LCM is 2 power 3 cross 3 power 2. 2 power 3 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 power 2 means 3 3s are 9. The answer is 72. We can do the same question with separate ladders. 18. First of all, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. The prime factors of 18 are 2 cross 3 cross 3. Then we have to find the prime factors of 24. 2 12s are, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. It is 2 power 3, 2 cross 2 cross 2, 2 raised to power 3 cross 3. Factors of 36. These are 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. I shall take this one here. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Prime factors of 36, 2 power 2 cross 2, 2 power 2, 3 cross 3, 3 power 2. I shall take this 2. Then there is no 2 here, so this 2, then this 2 alone, then this 3, and then this 3. A number which is only once will be taken, which is on all will be taken, which is common in 2 will also be taken. 8 cross 9, 72. The third method, which is the simplest possible, in which we take the multiples of 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72. Okay, I don't go ahead. Multiples of 24, 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72. As we know the answer, so I am stopping here, not doing more multiples. Multiples of 36, 36 1s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So this 72, from multiples method we can find the multiple like this. This is the least common multiple of these three. Now if we find the LCM of 2 power 3, 3 power 2 cross 11 and 2 cross 3 power 2 cross 5 cross 11. So when we will find the LCM, we shall take the highest power of 2. Here it's 1, here it's 3. So we shall have 2 power 3 cross 3 power 2. Same. There is no 5 here, but LCM in 5 will be the part of LCM, and 11 power 1. So in LCM we take the maximum index of which is common, and the number which is not in both will be the part of the LCM. Another example, 2 power 4 cross 11 and 2 cross 3 power 2 cross 19. The LCM will be 2 power 4, maximum power of 2. There is no 3 here, but 3 power 2 part of LCM, 11 power 1 part of LCM, 19 power 1 is the part of LCM. If we have to find the LCM of 3, 5 and 11, you can see the LCM of prime numbers is their multiple. Or if we find the multiple of 3 and 5, this is 15. If you take the multiples of 3, these are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Multiples of 5, 10, 15 and so on. So the LCM of prime numbers is the product of prime numbers. So here we have 3 prime numbers. We can go till 5 3s are 15, 15 multiply 11. Their LCM will be 165. You can check, you can extend their multiples, and you can see the lowest common multiple of 3, 5 and 11 will be 165. When we will go for the multiples of 11, 154, and the number which I told you is 165, which is also in the table of 3 and in the table of 5. So LCM of prime numbers is the product of the numbers.